Welcome to another Tech Help video brought to you by AccessLearningZone.com. I'm your instructor, Richard Rost. Today's part 4 of multiple cascading combo boxes. If you haven't watched parts 1 through 3 yet, go watch those first and then come on back. All right, here we go. All right, so yesterday we got our cascading combo boxes to work. You can pick United States, you can pick California, or we don't have anything on California, do we? New York, and then Erie, and then Amherst, and then Sheridan Drive. I used to live right by Sheridan Drive in Millersport. Okay, so got a couple things to tackle today. First of all, if someone changes this to, let's go to Canada, we want all of these down below to blank because they're no longer valid options, right? And secondly, if they blank this, if let's say we don't, this is wrong, all right, and we get an error message because our SQL statement now says country ID equals null, right? So we got to fix both of those things. Okay, so let's go back into our code. Design view. I got a little button up here on my quick launch toolbar that takes me to the code, right, for that form. It's really handy. I use it all the time. All right, first thing I want to do is I'm going to organize these 4 different things we have here based on the order that they run in. So we're going to put country. Okay, there isn't one for country. There's one for state, county, city, and street. Okay, they are in order. Good. All right. When I was building them the first time, mine were all out of order. All right, so update state combo. We're going to say right here, if is null the country combo, then state combo equals null, blanket, right? And then county state combo dot row source equals nothing. And then exit sub. That'll blank that sucker right out, all right? So let's try it. Save it. Come back out here. All right. Go into here. Let's put in United States and then New York. And okay, let's say, forget this. Let's just blank this. And then look at that. New York is blanked. Okay. Now let's make a slight modification to this. Instead of the exit sub here, I just did that to be quick. What we're going to do is we're going to put an else here. Okay. We're going to say, else, it's got a value, so do that, right? Set the state combo row source equal to what we need it to be, and then end if. And then when you're done updating the state combo, I want you to now update the next one in the series. So update state combo is now going to say update county combo. And then now county combo is going to do the same stuff, right? If is null, the guy above it, so state combo, then my stuff, right? Blank my stuff out. So county combo equals null. County combo dot row source is blank. Else, do that, right? End if, and then when you're done, update the city combo. Because what's going to happen is if they blank the country, it's going to come into here, right? It's going to null that, update the county combo. It'll come down here. It's going to say, oh, the county's null. It's going to blank that. It's going to come down here and do the city, and then so forth and so on down the line. So if you blank the country, every other one will be blanked. So now it's just finishing up copying the code in. So we got if is null, and trust me, folks, type it out. One of the things that I remember helped me learn a lot as a young guy and as a child is actually we used to have to buy books, right? And we had to type. This is before they had CDs and books, people. We just had to type in the code from the book. I remember I used to get Color Computer at Tandy Coco. I used to get the little magazine, and you type in the code. Typing in the code goes a long way to helping you learn it. It's better than just copying and pasting from some page you found online, including my own. All right, so we're going to update the city combo. So if the guy above city, if the county combo is null, then city combo is null. And city combo, and it'll make you a better typer too, unlike me. Dot row source equals blank. Else, do that. End if, and then update the last one. Update street combo. Last one. Almost there. All right, if is null, the guy above me, the city combo, then street combo equal. And see, by the time you're on the fifth one, now I kind of remember it without having to look at the previous one. Street combo dot row source is blank, else tab that in, end if, and then we're done. Okay, this guy's not going to update anybody after him. All right, save it. Debug compile once in a debug compile once in a while. I almost click on the wrong one. Come back out here, close it. I always close my forms when reopening whenever updating the VBA code inside them. All right, back inside. Let's set one up here. We got United States, we got New York, we got Erie, blah, 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 blah. And now it's blank United States, and they all get blanked. Okay, so that's working. One other thing you might want to do, notice this leaving the record dirty over here when you open it up even, because it's checking this and then it's blanking all those. That last one for the street, let's put a me.refresh here. That'll save that. So now when you open it up, at least you're not staying in a dirty state. See? Now that takes care of the null problem, but it doesn't take care of necessarily the following combo boxes problem. If you got something like this going on, right? And if I change this to Canada, it's blanking this one, but it's not changing that guy. So I'm also going to throw in code. In fact, what we're going to do, I'm going to call an audible. We're going to move this. I'm changing from my original game plan here. I think it's going to be more efficient. We're going to move that null down here. Right? Because no matter what we do, whether we blank it or reset it, we're still going to want to have to put a new value into it. Okay? The exception being sometimes people click on a box and then pick the same thing. So you could get around that by saying if the box above it is different from what was in there before, then blank this guy. So here, for example, I could say if country combo is not the same thing as country combo dot old value, then old value is a property, and I spelled country wrong. See how I immediately saw that because it didn't camel case, right? Country combo. Old value is a property that combo boxes have, that a lot of the text boxes, a lot of controls have it, so you can see what was in there before the user changed it. Okay, and now we'll just take this and just move this into the other ones. We'll get rid of this null value here, so this is county, and we'll put it right down here. All right, so if the one above it, if state combo is not the same as state combo dot blah blah blah, then county combo is null. All right, we'll do the same thing for the other ones. So we'll copy, let's see, here, county. All right, we'll get rid of that, and then we'll copy and paste. Right? If county combo is not the same as the old county combo, then city combo is null. And then down here, get rid of that. And we'll copy and paste this guy. And we'll stick that there. And we'll say city combo, street combo. Okay. That should fix both of those situations. Save it, debug compile, come back out here, close it, open it. All right, so let's pick United States. That should blank everything. I'll go Florida, Lee County, Cape Coral, whatever. Switch this to Canada. Oh, it didn't get everybody. This is usually, if you see that happen, that's usually because I probably spelled something wrong or put the wrong combo box value in there. Let's take a peek. No. Okay, so the audible that I called was wrong. And I just threw an interception. Because checking for this old value only works on the one that was just clicked on. Because the other ones are obviously going to have the same value, so they won't be reset. So unfortunately for this, you could probably put some advanced logic in there to check in the actual after update event itself, but no. So I think we're just going to go back to what I had initially planned, which is this. Because right after you finish after you do the first one, it works fine. Oh, someone's beaming in. All right, but when you get to the second one, this condition will always be false or true. No, yeah, this will be false because the values will be the same. but this should fix it. So you're just going to have to just blank them. And if the user does something dumb like pick pick United States and then click on it and then pick United States again, well, now you got to re-enter all your data. So you could cancel the event with a before update, right? And there's lots of ways you could go about fixing that. But for the purposes of class, to get this working, we're going to just skip it. Okay, so now if I pick Canada, it blanks everybody under it. If I pick United States, it should blank everybody underneath it. Let's see. Ready? If I change it to Canada, everybody's blanked. All right, okay. That's what I initially had in my outline, and then I thought I was going to be cool and sneak in that old value trick. The next thing I'd like to do is after I pick a country, I want the state box to open up for me. Right? Now, we can't put that in our functions or in our subroutines we got written here because these run down each other one. So this is something we'd put in the after update event, right? So country combo, after you update the country combo, drop the state combo box down, all right? In order to use drop down, you have to set focus first. So state combo dot set focus, state combo dot drop down. So it's going to move to the state combo and then open it up, right? Save it. Close it, open it. So now if I change this to Canada, boom, the user is automatically presented with the list of states. That's user enhancement right there. That's what is it? UX they call it now, user experience, right? Obviously, I got a video on set focus, and I don't have a video on drop down yet. Looks like I got to make one. I'm missing that one. I know I've covered it in other videos before. Quick Queries 24, it's the surveys video. A lot of these topics, I've covered them in other videos. I just don't have a video specifically on that. But that's my goal. I want to have a video for every topic that's access related. So if you search for something on Google or YouTube and one of my videos doesn't show up, I want to know what you searched for. Send me a copy of your search string. And I'll make a video for it if I don't have one already. But I have covered it for my students in Access Developer Level 2. So you've learned that. But anyways, now all we have to do is put that in the other one. So we got country. And I'm going to put these in order too. So where's country? Where's state? These come in here usually in alphabetical order, but I like to keep them all together. So country, state, county. Then we need city. Where's city? Come here. There's city. Let's grab you. Put you after county. Right there. And then street would be on the bottom. I don't think we have a street update. Oh, we'll do that too. All right. So there's country. Then we've got, I'm just going to copy these. Copy, and we're going to go paste. Paste. And paste. Nope, not in the form current. Nope. All right, so we've got country. Does that. State is going to do update state combo, and then go to it. Or county combo, sorry. County combo is going to update city combo. I forgot to copy and paste. All right. City combo. And then city combo, same thing with street. Okay. Easy enough. Debug compile once in a while. Come back out here. Close it. Open it. And ready? United States. New York. Erie. Amherst. Millersport. See how fast that was? See how fast that was? Right there. That's a time saver. Now, what to do after street? Well, we got a street number field. I'm going to put that over here, and then after you enter that, jump over here. Or whatever you want to do, right? So I got a zip code sitting over here floating. I'm going to copy that label, click on zip code, and paste it. That way it locks it to it. And I just now made that the label for that field, right? Because even if you're doing this for other purposes, demographics or population or whatever, you still might want their zip code, right? And you might still want their street number. So come over here, and then we'll call this the street number. And open that up. The street identifier, whatever we called it before, right? And this will be the street number. Copy, paste. And then what we'll do in the after update for street combo, after update, is we'll just jump to street number, right? So street number dot set focus. And that's really all you got to do. Save it, close it, close it, close it, open it, right? And, oh, look, I just discovered another problem. This is what happens when I go off script. We have to move this. This can't happen in the cascade down. This has to go in the after update event as well. Because what happens is when you open it, it's gonna update the country information, which means it's gonna update this and automatically blanket for any record that you open. That's in the wrong spot. So this has to go in the after update event for the country box. So let's get rid of all these. My bad. See, this is when I try to throw audibles sometimes. That's 2 interceptions in one game. I am going to get pulled. They're going to send me to the bench. But I like to leave my mistakes in my videos because A, I make mistakes too, a lot, and B, mistakes that I make are probably going to be mistakes that you make too. So I'm not infallible. Don't tell my wife that. So after the country combo is updated, all right, update the state combo, but blanket here. So state combo equals null at that point. And you're also going to want to null the ones after it. All right, so county combo equals null. And what's under county? City combo equals null. Street combo equals null. All right, now you're going to want one less for everybody below it. So copy those. After you update the state, we're going to do that. And then after you update the county, we're going to do that. And then after you update the street, we're just going to do that. Okay? All right. Save it. Debug, compile. Let's see if it works this time. My bad. All right. New York, Erie, Amherst, whatever. Close it. Open it. All right. We're good. Change this to Canada, Alberta. Don't have anything below Alberta. Let's go to Ontario, Niagara Falls. We're good. Close it. Open it. We're working. Okay, good. All right. I'm sure some of you will find some additional bugs. They're always in there somewhere. All right, that's a winning solution. And as you can see, as I finished Millersport Highway, it jumped me over there. Okay, so we got it working. I follow my outlines more closely next time. All right, so what's next? Well, what if your user wants to add something and you want to let them, right? Do you really want to give them, I mean, you could give them this thing. That's kind of confusing. Wouldn't it be nice to have a nice, easy way to just edit this list right here, right? Wouldn't it be nice if they could just come in here and hit this little button and go, oh, look it, I can edit the states for the one that I'm on. Oh, isn't that nice? Or I can come in here and go, oh, let me edit the counties in the, oh, look at that. Well, we're going to do that in the next class, which will be part 5. Now, tomorrow is Friday, the 28th of March, 2025. And Fridays, I've been making quick queries days, and we're going to continue that tradition. So the next class will be on Monday the 31st. There we go, all right? So if you're watching this in the future, you can go watch it right now. But if not, you have to be a member. Members can watch it whenever they want because I'm going to keep recording right now so you can watch it right now if you want. That's one of the benefits of being a member. And also, members, we're going to have a little extended cut after today's video. Remember I said, I think it was yesterday I mentioned that all of this code that's every one of these update state combo, update country combo, all that can be condensed into one. Well, I did it, and it's called UpdateCombo. And then you just send it to 2 combos, the regular combo and its parent, and then that's it, and then it works. And we're going to go over that in the extended cut for the members. Silver members and up get access to all of my extended cut videos. Gold members can download these databases, and everybody gets some free training, so check it out. That is going to be your tech help video for today. That's all for part 4. Hope you learned something. Live long and prosper, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow for quick queries number 33, and we'll be back on Monday with part 5. Have a good weekend. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button right now and give me a like. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, which is completely free, and make sure you click that bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Do you need help with your Microsoft Access project? Whether you need a tutor, a consultant, or a developer to build something for you, check out my Access Developer Network. It's a directory I put together personally of Access experts who can help with your project. Visit my website to learn more. Any links or other resources that I mentioned in the video can be found in the description text below the video. Just click on that Show More link right there. YouTube's pretty good about hiding that, but it's there. Just look for it. Now, if you have not yet tried my free Access Level 1 course, check it out now. It covers all the basics of Microsoft Access, including building forms, queries, reports, tables, all that stuff. It's over 4 hours long. You can find it on my website or my YouTube channel. I'll include a link below you can click on. And did I mention it's completely free? And if you like Level 1, Level 2 is just $1. That's it. And it's free for members of my YouTube channel at any level. Speaking of memberships, if you're interested in joining my channel, you get all kinds of awesome perks. Silver members get access to all of my extended cut tech help videos, and there's hundreds of them by now. They also get one free beginner class each month, and yes, those are from my full courses. Gold members get the previous perks plus access to download all of the sample databases that I build in my tech help videos. Plus, you get access to my code vault where I keep tons of different functions and all kinds of source code that I use. And gold members get one free expert class every month after completing the beginner series. Platinum members get all of the previous perks, plus they get all of my beginner courses, all of them from every subject. And you get one free advanced or developer class every month after finishing the expert series. And you can become a diamond sponsor and have your name listed on the sponsor page on my website. So that's it. Once again, my name is Richard Rost. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by AccessLearningZone.com. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something today. Live long and prosper, my friends. I'll see you next time.